And then, which I can talk about now, we've been working with the developer for close to a year now on the Unilever site, the manufacturing site, and the office building. He's got a purchase and sale agreement with Unilever now in place. He's coming forward, he submitted an application to ZBA today to go to them for a variance for the first phase, which is the use of the 200,000 square foot manufacturing floor area. It's going to involve a skating facility, which is not going to be at the old landfill anymore, which should make some people happy. It's going to involve an indoor soccer facility, indoor ball facility, potentially a fitness area, pro shop, snack bar. So that'll occupy about 150,000 of the 200,000 square foot of the manufacturing floor area. He also has 60% of the office building, the old logistics center across the street. He's got 60% already committed to a company. He feels that within 3 years that company, because it's growing exponentially, will end up owning the entire building from him. And then the other phase is the office building attached to the manufacturing area, which he's looking at some type of mixed-use retail, residential, but that's a phase down the road. So this is his initial plan to get people in. I think it's a great idea. We had an EDC at our meeting 2 Thursdays ago to meet with it, and he's excited about it. He's actually already working on names for the whole project that he's going to talk to the developer about. And if you want to bring people down into the downtown area, proximity, that's a lot of people coming in that'll hopefully go to our stores, our restaurants, and things like that again. So that's moving forward, which is exciting. So we got the existing high school, we got that going on.
And this is the same party that was involved with the the
skating for the skating
not
party.
the guy buying it.
Not the guy.
Right.
Joe's involved.
He would lease
from him.
From these guys.
So everybody feels it's the path of least resistance for that type of facility, rather than fight to get it up on the old landfill to bring it down and take her. So, and then now that the rate change and language change has been approved for the square footage of buildings and those IPP properties, the gentleman that bought the old Unilever warehouse is getting ready to come forward with his application for the volume reduction facility down there, because he needs a 60,000 square foot building instead of the 180,000 that was already there. So there's a lot of good stuff happening there. Okay?
What's the status on the train station? Do you know?
We're supposed to go out the bid, and I don't think it has. I called Keith Hall the other day, and it hasn't got me back. He's the engineer that's in charge of that project engineer for that. So it was supposed to be out the bid middle of December, and I haven't seen. I looked on the website, I didn't see anything listed. So the money, theoretically, the money was put in place by the bond commission last year. So I don't know why they held off on it.
Now, is it going to be like something like Westbrook?
Exactly like Westbrook, up and over with a platform on the north side. Yeah, and they had a purchase agreement with Unilever for that end of the parking lot. They're taking that piece of the end of the parking lot for parking for that side of the tracks, which is another thing that got this gentleman that's buying the piece from Unilever excited about, is having a train platform on the north side. So yeah, so it's good. All right, that's all I have for now. Motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed, none, abstention, motion